When I told the class, let's make mushroom crostinis today, they screamed, no, no cooking today. I'll tell you how I got those same 4 years old to try mushrooms that day and how an overwhelming majority actually loved mushrooms. While we cook, I'll teach you how to gently introduce scary ingredients and build curiosity using the mushroom crostini that won over my little skeptics. Mushrooms hate water. Skip soaking or they'll get mushy. Rinse fast, spin with a salad spinner, then pat dry before cooking. To help students warm up to a new, scary ingredient, I activated as many senses as possible. Our students got to look at them, touch them, slice them, and smell them. To get golden mushrooms, you need high heat. In a hot pan, drizzle some oil and add the mushrooms. Do not overcrowd. Add butter and then leave them alone to brown. Flip once they are golden, then salt at the end so that you avoid any sogginess. The turning point in class that day came when the mushrooms and the butter started to sizzle. Students went from ew to quiet curiosity. The aroma did the convincing. If I can encourage 30 preschoolers to try mushrooms in 1 hour, so can you. Direct exposures build comfort and curiosity, which leads to tasting. In the video on the screen, I'll show you how I use similar strategies to help my kids, my nephew, and their friends try and love okra.